Myself, Jadhav Sachanya. My topic is memory. Now, what we will see what is memory. Memory is defined as the ability to recall the past experience. It is also defined as retention of learned materials. Some memories remains only for few seconds, like short-term memory. Other last for hours, days, months, or years together. For example, long-term memories. Memories is classified into two types: short-term memory and long-term memory. Now we will see what is short-term memory. Short-term memory also allows recall for a period of several seconds to a minute without rehearsal. Short-term memory is believed to rely mostly on an acoustic code for storing information. Now we will do one activity. Just it is for fun. On the base of short-term memory, I will show some pictures. Uh, I will show some pictures for a few seconds of time. Uh, you have to observe it carefully. Now I will show another slide. By deleting one image, you have to tell the missing image what I had deleted. Please observe it carefully.
Next, மாத்திதான் அதுக்கு தான் நான் இப்ப மாத்திட்டேன் நாளைக்கு வேற
சரி
சரி.
Yeah, it's correct. Now I will show another slide. Please try to do.
orange.
Yeah, it's correct.
Waste paper thing.
What once repeat again?
Waste paper thing.
Yeah, it's correct. By this activity, okay. By this activity, we understood that short-term memory, it is a temporary memory where the retention is less than 1 second is immediate memory. The information temporarily stored in short-term memory may last as long as 30 seconds, even if the material is not rehearsed. Now we will move on to long-term memory. It is nothing but the storage is a sensory memory and short-term memory generally have a strictly limited capacity and a duration. Long-term memory can store much larger quantities of information for potential unlimited duration. This information is said to be stored in long-term memory. On the base of long-term memory, now we will do another activity based on long-term memory. Please respond and participate actively. Okay, friends. We all are familiar with adjectives in parts of speech, right? This activity based on remembering different types of adjectives. Now, you have to say one adjective starting with your first letter of your name. Suppose, for example, myself, Jadhav Sai Charanya. My first letter is S. So, adjective will be started with S, like sincere Sai Charanya. My next roll number is Jansi. She will tell sincere Sai Charanya, joyful Jansi. That like the chain will be continued. Now we will start from Abhinaya. Abhinaya, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell one adjective which starts from your first letter and add before your name.
Adorable Abhinaya.
Yeah. You can take the help. You can take help from this chat. Okay. Next, followed by Akash. Akash, are you there?
Yes.
Now you have to tell Abhinaya's adjective and yours.
Attentive, Akash.
No. Orderable Abhinaya, attentive Akash. That like.
Adorable Abhinaya, attentive, Akash.
Next, Aman Kumar. I think so.
Adorable Abhinaya, attentive Akash, attractive Aman.
Next, Amita.
Adorable Abhinaya, attractive Aman, then
Abhinaya, Akash, Aman, then all the three you have to sell.
I can't remember what Akash said.
That is what long-term memory.